Here in the middle of May 2026, and one of the most prominent flowers now is Ceanothus. It's nice blue coloured blooms, which has individually small flowers, but they always seem popular with the local bees. Californian lilac, as it's also known, clearly demonstrating that even non-native plants can be of benefit to local wildlife. Also looking well now is Japanese Zelkova tree. It's nice bright coloured new leaves. Plum is also still producing a small number of flowers, although the trees have been slow to set fruit here, perhaps because of the north facing aspect of the garden. Hopefully this year, since the flowering has been a bit stronger, there will be a greater quantity of fruit, which has not been a problem on these Hadelfinger cherries, which can now be clearly seen to be producing fruit as the flowers finish. Also with flowers that stand out is this peony, which was grown from seed. Continue red robin stands out with its nice red coloured leaves, while choisia is blooming well. One of the most common flowers at the moment is the native hawthorn, with a self-seeded tree here after setting flower well this year, next to an also self-seeded elderflower with flowers just about to open. Magnolia is flowering. Gooseberry has developing fruit. Rhododendron flowers are just starting to open. This cooking apple variety has been blooming well, while pulmonaria, which has thrived here in a shady spot, has been very well visited by the bees so far this year. Self-seeded cow parsley is blooming well. Euphorbia is in full bloom. Also red valerian is just starting to flower. And Herb Robert is blooming. Another Ceanothus is just starting to flower. While Potentilla stands out with some nice bright white flowers. Also just starting to flower now is Mexican fleabane, with pot marigold that survived through winter in full bloom now. Comfrey has just recently started to flower. So here, another variety of comfrey has been blooming well in front of Aspirea. Well, red flowered lamium. It's blooming well. Thyme has started to flower. Chilean firebush stands out with its nice bright coloured flowers. Some kale started to flower. Also in the distance some allium can be seen to start to flower in front of some rhubarb with Gelder rose behind it. Another Ceanothus in full bloom with horse chestnut also flowering well behind. Another potentilla standing out with its nice bright yellow coloured flowers. Ceanothus has been producing some nice fragrance, as well as its inconspicuous flowers, which are now reaching their end. Flowering quince still has some nice bright coloured flowers, with lilac also now blooming well. Wild type crabapple is in full bloom. Albrighta is still flowering. Your Photinia red robin is flowering. Another Ceanothus in bloom in front of a lilac. And Cercis siliquastrum is just starting to produce some flowers.